Chief Whip Jongkalyang Pursha ba George Lingdo badai UMLA ke TMC no umroi ulakan tho ba Sorkar MDA ke Sorkar ka bamdon jing sngo ya laki jongki Briew kani ke jing kren jong u ke ke jing lit jingo ikinong hi kai contract ba ki mentala shibanai kinthi ha Shillong.
Congress side, we have come to express our solidarity and support to the contractual teachers who in fact yesterday have gone to a very tormenting situation. In fact, it was really very shocking to see that the teachers have been tear gassed and at the same time being suppressed in a peaceful march for their rights and livelihoods. As a party, we strongly condemn the incident. At the same time, our heart goes out to the families and all to the teachers, the women and the children who have been gravely affected through shock and also to the physical bruises that they have suffered during the incident. At the same time, we also see that the government has really turned deaf and dumb. At the same time, not also extending any kind of support or help to the teachers who have been suddenly taken away, or whose bread and butter has been taken away by the government due to their lack of sensitivity and lack of care for the citizens of the state. As a party, we express our solidarity with the teachers as we have done in the past and continue to do so. But at the same time, this shocking incident demands that the Home Minister and Education Minister comes forward and expresses his stand, and also the Chief Minister should express his stand as to what the government plans to do with the teachers. Do they continue with this kind of suppression and also with this kind of an attitude of arrogance, and at the same time not being able to even adhere to the norms and rules when it comes to handling the law and order situation in the state? It is highly condemnable, and various quarters have even demanded the resignation of the Home Minister and also Education Minister. But I feel it is a collective responsibility of the entire cabinet and all the ministers to ensure that the citizens of the state remain safe, and also that the livelihoods of the people are kept secure and the families are also protected when it comes to the bread and butter of the people of the state.